all these fidgets are actually mine.
And you're in luck because me, I'm not going to be silly in this video.
He's not gonna. He's not. I know he's sometimes silly in the videos, but yeah, I think he's learned. Oh, don't squeeze that and be like, oh.
Learned my lesson. Right. So let's start. Fake fidget.
Okay. So what will you offer for my fidget spinner?
Well, but I gave that to you and it was rusty, but now it's better, isn't it? It looks better. So I'm going to trade you actually. I'm going to trade you this. Is that a deal?
Can you add just a little bit?
Huh?
Can you add just a little
I'll
bit?
trade you this.
And that, then it's a deal. But look how good this
I'll
fidget
trade you this there and this.
deal.
That's a deal, boys.
Look what I
Let me just
got!
quickly show you a little trick for the video. Right, let me show you a quick trick, ready? Right, now next one.
That was a failed trick.
Now,
Now it's your turn to trade.
I will trade you this
I
spider.
can't even see you. Move it.
I will trade you this here, the two collections, for that.
Okay, deal.
Let's go, boys!
Thank you. Oh my god, I love it. You're gonna be stressful. Now I will be trading my pea popper. Let's see what I get offers for it. Trading pea popper, going once, going twice. Do you want to offer?
I will offer you this there and
Fidget spinner?
I'll give you a fidget. No, I'll just offer you this. Actually, no, this and the squishy.
Deal.
That's an deal, boys. I got the people. Right now,
Listen,
now you can.
hopefully people on camera could hear that.
Now you can offer me, boy.
Oh, I'm going to be.
Right, so
I'm going to be trading my fidget cube. Trading fidget cube, going once, going twice, going three times.
I'll trade you Dory. Just Dory. No, actually no. I'm going to make a new offer. You give me one of your bicycles.
No, you can't tell me what I'm trading. I'll do that next time.
Oh, that's a no deal. No deal.
Okay, I'll trade. I'll do a different offer. I'll trade all of these.
All of them, I will give you the fidget spinner and
God.
this.
Deal.
Let's go, boys.
Oh my god, I love this
I love
snake.
these bicycles, guys.
I love this snake. And look at what else, this cool fidget spinner.
Look how much you've got. Oh, these are good stuff. So, now, my offer is I will... No, what offer is it? Who did it for who?
I'm going to be trading my... This is going to be big. Both of my my dimple, and this.
All three of them.
All
okay.
four.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna... 4? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, no. I just want to say, all three of them plus this here.
Okay, what will you offer?
I will offer you the slime plus the spider.
Damn! Here you go. Oh my god, I love this.
Let's go. Boy.
You guys, I'm just gonna quickly just show you the slime.
I got some dimples.
I've got this slime. I love this.
Right now,
That was such a fair trade.
I will offer you Dory plus the pea popper.
I love that pea popper. Please, can I offer?
Okay, you can offer.
Okay, this is closed properly. Good. I'll offer you this spider stress ball and this puppet
For what?
for your Dory thing, your pea popper.
Accepted if you add one more thing.
Okay, I'll add this slime stress ball.
Deal. Oh, we didn't get there, Dory. Deal.
Thank you. Oh my god, that was such a fair trade.
Now, I will trade you this stress ball here plus one of the bicycles.
Me.
Yep. You do.
I'll do this.
For these two. Add in him.
No.
Actually, no, that's not fair. Add in.
What? Just say add.
I'll
I'll add this and then
add him plus the squishy.
fidget cube.
Plus the squishy.
These.
Yeah.
Actually, these.
Yeah. 3 of them for these two.
Okay, that kind of wasn't a deal, but I really like this stress ball.
Right,
It's so
now I'm
pretty.
making a deal. I'm going to trade you this popper here, this bicycle plus this poppet for him.
Well, I'll do the offer. I'll do this.
Okay.
I'll do this, this, and this.
For what?
For what you're saying.
Get rid of the fidget toy and put in one of these ones.
For what?
No, actually no. I've got a good deal. I will give you this poppet here for poppet collection. You give me him and these two.
Wait, I'll do these and these two.
For what?
For what you're offering.
I need to take one poppet away.
No, that's definitely not. I'm actually overpaying here, so please can you add back the blue and pink thing? I'm overpaying.
I've got a good deal. I've got a new deal.
These are basically all my stress
I've got a
balls.
really good deal. I'll give you these two, this and this poppet, which I've kept for the whole game, for these two plus him.
These.
For all of them.
For them.
Only if I add away the spider. Or the Chrissy.
Take away the squishy and
And it's a deal, boys!
yes, I love this poppet! I'm so happy.
Right, what are you going to trade?
Now I might trade my Nido dog.
What are you going to trade it for?
I don't know. You need to.
I will give you,
offer
for
something.
that, I'll give you this poppet here and that.
Can you just add a little bit? Because I love this.
Okay, this and depends how much bite I've got. Oh, this is my last one. Okay. Oh no, I've got another one. Okay, these four here. These four.
Guys, I love my Nido dog.
These four.
Bye
here.
bye Nido dog. Well, this is just fake, so not bye bye Nido dog forever, just for the game.
Right, deal.
Set.
Let's go.
I love this. My favourite is this.
Oh, my favourite's a bike chain anyway. I've still got one. Right, now I will offer you. I'll give you back your Nido. Plus these two here.
Oh my god, me! Let me offer now.
Okay, guys, I'm offering now the Nido plus these two.
Okay, I'll offer you my fidget cube, my spider.
Now get rid of your fidget cube.
Do you not like it?
No, I just think I know. These three, I got a good deal. You give me the poppets.
No, I won't do. I know what I'll do. I'll do these.
Add one more thing.
This.
Or just add one more thing.
Oh my! I think I'm.
Green beans.
I love these. I'll see this.
Okay, deal. What's the deal?
Thank you.
Oh, this is so.
Now, bye bye, guys. My cousin rates my fidgets.
And then, guys, because we've got all of our fidgets here now, we're gonna rate the best one we got for trade.
You need to first. My cousin rates my fidgets. What will you? So first, what will you rate my Nido dog?
10.
10 out of 10.
Yep.
Okay.
10.
Rates this a 10 out of 10. What will you rate this fidget spinner?
8.
8. Okay. What about this puppet thing?
9.
Oh, that's really good. Okay. What about my dimple?
9.5.
Oh, that's so good. Okay. What will you rate my fidget cube?
8.
Okay. Pea popper.
10. Or 9. 10 or 9. Yeah.
Big or big stress balls.
8.5.
Okay. Now rate them.
Right. What do you rate this?
I rate that probably, because it gets quite dirty, probably a 9 out of 10.
Okay, 9 out of 10. What about Spidey?
My friend gave me this. Maybe 9.5.
Dory?
Nemo, basically.
Yeah.
So pretty. 10. 10.
Snake?
8.
Bicycles?
I love these. Definitely a 10. Pretty thing. well, this was free because I got it out of the capsule machine. Well, I didn't actually get it out of the capsule machine. I got it. Not. I meant. I got this. You know, the Dodger things. Not Dodgems. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
I'll probably rate the. Since it's not exactly a fidget, I mean it is sort of, but I'm gonna just click this. Probably 8.
Okay, what about this? So simple.
You mean both of these?
Yeah, both of them.
Alright. Well, this is an off-brand Simple Dimple. Both of these are.
So what are you gonna rate them?
Probably rate these about 9.5.
This?
9 1/4. Oh, I love this. Probably 9.5.
Okay, my last one, catch. Oh,
I nearly got it. Probably this is it's so pretty.
come on, give it a 10 for my last one.
10.
Let's go! Wait, we didn't rate the slime.
Oh,
That's definitely going to be a 10 for the last one.
Of course, 10.
10!
But the video is not finished. Now, Dimple and Poppet ASMR. So first my cousin is going to be doing the Poppet ASMR.
Okay, so where's this one? So, guys.
You need to do it with 3.
Huh?
Do it with like the 3.
I know it. I'm going to do it with all the fingers actually. So guys, you won't be able to see it. I'll make it for the camera. You'll be able to hear it though, so get ready. It's really nice. So guys,
Then
that's
do the loud side. The loud side is the best.
there we go, boys.
Now Dimple ASMR. I know I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Bye. But when
Subscribe, and if you want to check out my channel, the Everything channel.
so this is the Dimple. It's really satisfying. And since you didn't see the Poppet, I'll show you that. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah. So guys, please subscribe to the World of Living May. Please subscribe to my channel as well, the Everything channel, which has
guys,
a logo.
If you sometimes didn't see my channel, it's because it got deleted. I don't know why, but yeah.
It's back now in action. Bye.
Bye.